I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make yogurt powder at home. We'll begin by understanding the process, then move into the simple steps. You'll learn about the benefits of having this versatile ingredient on hand, from extending shelf life to easy storage. We'll also cover all the necessary ingredients and equipment you'll need to get started on this fun and rewarding kitchen project. The foundation of great yogurt powder starts with the right yogurt. Always select plain, unsweetened varieties to avoid unwanted sugars and artificial flavors. Full-fat yogurt works best, yielding a richer, more flavorful powder. Before dehydrating, strain your yogurt through a cheesecloth-lined sieve for several hours, or even overnight, to remove excess whey and achieve a thicker consistency. This step is crucial for efficient drying. Now let's get to the dehydration process. Spread your thickened yogurt very thinly, about 1/8 of an inch thick, onto parchment-lined dehydrator trays. Set your dehydrator to a low temperature, ideally around 135 degrees Fahrenheit, to preserve nutrients. This process can take anywhere from 8 to 12 hours, depending on your yogurt's thickness and dehydrator. The yogurt is ready when it's completely brittle and snaps easily. Once your yogurt is thoroughly dried, it's time to transform it into powder. Break the brittle pieces into smaller chunks and place them into a high-speed blender or a clean coffee grinder. Pulse until you achieve a very fine, consistent powder. Store your homemade yogurt powder in an airtight container, like a glass jar, in a cool, dark pantry. Properly stored, it can last for several months, ready for your next culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.